Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about demonstration of enzyme lipase. Right. Now, in the last practicals, we have discussed about demonstration of enzyme amylase and demonstration of enzyme gelatinase. Like amylase and gelatinase, lipase is also an extracellular enzyme produced by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Okay, now we are going to discuss here how to demonstrate or how to detect whether the given bacteria, the test organism, is able to produce enzyme lipase. Okay, how to demonstrate that? First of all, let us understand what is the role of enzyme lipase, right? They are able lipids are the substrate of lipase enzyme, and lipases are able to hydrolyze lipids, okay, and bring about the lysis or hydrolysis of lipids. Lipids is the general term used to describe all types of fats. Fats are formed by ester linkages between three molecules of fatty acid and one molecule of glycerol. Simple fats are known as triglycerides. Why they are called as triglycerides? Because glycerol is having 3 OH group and each of OH group is replaced by 3 fatty acids. If all the 3 fatty acids are same, simple triglyceride. If the fatty acids are different, then complex. Okay. Rather we call them mixed triglycerides. Okay, so simple fats are known as triglycerides or triglycerols. Triglycerides are composed of glycerol and 3 long chain fatty acids. Enzymes that break the simple fats into its component fatty acids and glycerol are called as lipases. Okay, enzymes which break the simple fats or triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol are called as lipases. Some microorganisms possesses the enzyme lipase. Thus, they can be classified on their ability to produce and secrete lipase. Lipase is again an extracellular enzyme. Now, if you want to check whether the test organism produces enzyme lipase or not, then you can use a variety of simple fats to detect that. Okay, so variety of simple fats can be used for this determination depending upon what type of organism you are using. In this experiment, we are going to study the activity of enzyme lipase by using tributylene. So tributylene is again a triglyceride having glycerol and 3 butyric acid molecules and forms a tributylene. This tributylene is added into nutrient agar medium. So we prepare normal nutrient agar medium and add 1% of tributylene into it before pouring it into petri dish. So medium is sterilized, and before pouring we have to add tributylene and pour it into petri dish and allow the medium to solidify. That medium is called as tributylene agar. Okay, now what is the objective of doing this experiment? To determine the ability of microorganisms to produce the enzyme lipase and or identify the bacteria on the basis of its lipases activity. What is the action of enzyme lipase? To break down the lipid, to break down the simple triglyceride into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay. Now, the principle is nutrient medium containing lipid tributylene inoculated with test organism is incubated, and the microorganism which possesses the enzyme lipase or if the organism is able to produce enzyme lipase, extracellular enzyme lipase, it hydrolyzes the free fats present in the medium into glycerol. It hydrolyzes the tributylene. In our case, it is tributylene or any other fat. It hydrolyzes the fat, releases the glycerol and free fatty acid. Consequently, the release of insoluble free fatty acid result in the formation of a zone. We can see a zone of lipolysis, lipid hydrolysis surrounding the colony. Okay, because of presence of tributylene, the whole medium is oily and you can see oil droplets in the medium. But if the tributylene is hydrolyzed, then the fatty acids and glycerol get separated. So you can see a clear zone without any lipid droplet. Okay, so what you have to check is a clear zone of lipolysis or lipid hydrolysis surrounding the colony in the medium against when it is held at an angle to a light source. Since lipase is not diffusible, it will produce reaction only on the surface of agar in the immediate vicinity of the colony, surrounding the colony. What is the procedure for this? You take a loop full of test organism, streak it in the form of a straight line or spot inoculate it on the tributary agar, incubate the plate at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius for 24 to 48 hours, and after incubation examine the plate against light for the appearance of clear zone of lipid hydrolysis or lipolysis surrounding the colony. The positive result is indicated by appearance of clear zone of lipolysis immediately surrounding the colony that can be seen when the plate is held at an angle to a light source. Negative reaction means what? Absence of clear zone of lipolysis. Okay. So, if the organism produces lipase enzyme, it will be released in the surrounding and the lipid, that is tributylin, present in the surrounding will be hydrolyzed and you can see a clear zone of lipolysis surrounding the colony of the test organism. So, if you see a clear zone of lipolysis surrounding the colony, you say that organism is lipase positive or lipase producing. If there is no clear zone, then organism is lipase negative or lipase non-producing. So, you can see here, these are the experimental work done by different researchers, where you can see this is a colony in the center surrounded by a clear zone of lipolysis. So, the organism is lipase positive. Again, you can see in the second case, there is a narrow streak done on two parts. On one part, you can see a clear zone surrounding the streak line. So, the organism is lipase producing. Okay. Here you can see a clear zone surrounding the colony. In this case, the plate is divided into two compartments. In one compartment, you can see clear zone surrounding the colony. So, organism is lipase positive. And in the other part, you can see the organism. In the other part, you can see the colony is not surrounded by any zone. So, organism is lipase negative. Okay. So, here lipase negative and here lipase positive, right? Now, in the third plate, here also you can clearly see there is a clear zone of lipolysis surrounding the colony, indicating that organism has produced enzyme lipase. Okay. So, these are the plates which show lipase production by the bacteria on tributary agar, which is indicated by clear zone of lipolysis surrounding the colony. So, these are the plates of work done by different researchers. This is how you can confirm whether the organism produces enzyme lipase or not. So, that is all about the demonstration of enzyme lipase